Is that Grandma Marge? Grandma Marge! No. There you go. Welcome to winter. Make sure you're not going to step on that. Your feet will get cold. Dali na. Tagal naman ni Madam Oy. On a wallet. Do you have money there?
Yeah,
You sure? Because I got no money though.
I got coins.
You got coins?
Yes.
Just coins only?
Yeah.
Well, how can we afford to buy Slurpee? Ayan. Ayan. Dito kami guys. Oh. Kung gusto nyo ng ice. You're bringing everything, Kelsey. Bag, water, iPad.
Let's go.
You wanna walk or you wanna drive?
Walk.
Okay, I got my mask here, guys. But that's used already. Now let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
These are all our footprints, right, Kelsey? Okay, go ahead. I wonder how, I wonder why.
Come on, Mama.
Is that Grandma Marge? No, we're just going to 7-Eleven and then we saw you walking.
Oh, I was just coming down to get my mail. Hi, Kelsey.
Hi! How are you today? It's not bad, right? Okay, let's go, Kelsey.
Okay.
I'll go follow you. I just have to take a look at this thing here. My boots. We got nothing to do at home.
School, like no days?
Yeah, she has school every other day.
Oh,
So
every other day.
yeah, yesterday she has school, but today she has no
Do you
school.
get bored when you don't have school? No?
Yeah, look at her. She's prepared. She has okay, let's go, Kelsey. You go ahead. You're the leader. She has everything in her bag just in case we get cold while we're walking. This is a mailbox, yeah.
Uh-huh. Delicious at your door. $90 off.
What is that? Is it some
Oh,
kind of
it's one
promotion?
these
Oh,
probably
HelloFresh. Yeah.
Buying your meals.
Yeah.
It is the same as this is HelloFresh.
Yeah, that's HelloFresh.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, that is such a waste of money, waste of money.
Thank you, Kelsey.
I would have eventually missed it.
There you go. Give it to Grandma.
I don't use it around the house, but I just feel like I'm more stable when I go out.
When you go out, yeah. Would you get mad if I put it on YouTube?
If I put
Me and you. Hello, everyone.
Bird's eye view of what winter is all about.
Yeah, this is winter. What it looks like. Uh-oh.
Any vacuum.
You got snow now.
Have I?
Yeah, just stop moving out quickly.
Where did that come from?
You were throwing it, so
Oh.
some of the stuff, yeah. So I was like,
Why did you call?
no, like we were walking, so
Oh.
I was like thinking maybe we can drop by to say hi to you, okay? Cause we're gonna go for a walk to 7-Eleven and
7-Eleven.
on the other store, this new store.
No. You were just going to go there.
We're just gonna go there just to take a video, right, Kelsey? My feet are cold now. I mean, like my toes.
My toes are getting a little cold. Are you cold? Are you sure you don't want to come
You sure you don't wanna come in, Kelsey? You don't know?
in? It's up to you guys.
It's okay.
Got her in the car. Coming to meet my wife. She's texting. Hey.
Already. All right.
I thought we're gonna phone and tell ya. Daddy, I thought we're gonna phone to tell you. Hello everyone. So well, me and mommy are gonna go for a walk.
Hello. We're going home. Because there's nothing to do.
No, we're gonna go for a walk.
Okay, let's go. Oh boy.
What?
It's getting cold again. Kelsey, you wanna walk there? Remember nagtubagoning ka last time, nag-sledding?
Yeah. Wanna go?
Should we go back? Be careful. Where? Oh.
This is that is the other side.
I know. Let's go back. That's pretty, hey? Oh no.
What?
Oh, the shortcut. Yeah, we're going to buy a Slurpee. Uy, tugnaw naman siya, dahi.
Do you know where we're going?
I don't know where we're going. You alright? You hungry? You can order here if you're paying by debit or credit card, but we're paying by cash. So we're going to order directly. Hi, can I get a small French vanilla cappuccino and large fries?
Small fries?
Yeah, large. And vanilla milkshake. And that's everything.
Total comes to $13.39.
Well, 13, 14. Sorry.
It's fine.
I only have coins. I don't have paper bill.
That's okay.
Thank you. Have a good day. SpongeBob, remember our number is 236 our number, okay? You hungry? Let's go.
Are they getting a break?
Hi.
Hi.
We're going home now. Kelsey got what she wants. Bye, McDonald's. See you tomorrow.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go that way.
Let's go this way. Ooh, how do you say it, Kelsey?
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Roy, dala, day, no? Yan na magduwa. We're going home. Right? This is Kelsey. Kelsey the explorer. And she really likes to walk. No through road.
The house and this way is to somewhere else.
Kelsey, there's a car next. Come here. Silly. Smile more. Just kidding. It's a video. Dali.
Huh?
It's a good video. Antanga. Bye-bye. Ay, mali. Bye-bye.